Hey guys, how you doing? So, are you dealing with an enlarged prostate or weak urine flow or possibly struggling with performance in the bedroom? Well, the secret to better prostate health and strong erections might just be in your kitchen. And I call it golden milk. I actually created this little recipe here I'm going to share with you in a few minutes. So, and you can get maybe that the secret ingredient is curcumin, which is found in turmeric. Most people are taking it wrong. Give me a second. So, many studies show that curcumin can actually shrink an enlarged prostate, reduce urinary issues, and even slow prostate cancer growth. So it improves blood flow, right? Because it increases the production of nitric oxide. That's a molecule that relaxes the blood vessels and improves circulation. So better blood flow means, stronger, longer lasting erections. It reduces oxidative stress in the blood vessels. Erectile dysfunction is many times caused by damage to the cell wall, endothelial cells, which line the blood vessels. So, curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and it protects these cells from oxidative stress and restores healthy blood vessel function. It balances out your testosterone and DHT, right? Low testosterone and high levels of DHT are associated with BPH and ED. So, curcumin helps prevent excessive DHT conversion, which can protect against both prostate enlargement and stabilize your testosterone levels. So it supports nerve health and sensitivity to your cells. You can enjoy sexual relations better, and you definitely need curcumin in your life, right? But here's the catch. Curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body. If you're just mixing if you're just mixing turmeric powder and water or apple cider vinegar, like most people, you're missing out on most of the real benefits. Almost every video I see online is throw it in water with some pepper or throw it in some apple cider vinegar. You can't, because curcumin is fat soluble, so you have to mix it in some type of healthy fat. So the best way to take this milk, this golden milk, I'm gonna tell you in a minute. This recipe right here combines curcumin with healthy fats and black pepper. So let me give you the recipe. 1 cup of warm almond milk, or you can use coconut milk, whichever you prefer. A teaspoon of turmeric powder, that's like 500 milligrams of curcumin. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, that helps boost absorption by 2,000%. Teaspoon of coconut oil, or you can use ghee as well. You need that to dissolve the curcumin. And you can throw a teaspoon of honey in there for taste. And you let it simmer on very low heat, about 5 or 6 minutes. And if you drink this daily, you'll notice less inflammation, better urine flow, and stronger performance in the bedroom. So try it out. Let me know your results in the comments. Come back to this video. Let's talk about it. Share this with your brothers that need this type of information so we can get healthy together.